Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we'll learn how to make text hollow in Canva. So first, we need to add some heading. You can choose any text. So let's write how to make text hollow in Canva. Okay. So after that, let's put it here. Select the text box. Then from here, you have to go to the effects section. After that, you'll be able to see a couple of options here near non-shadow lift. So this is the one we're looking for to make it hollow. So this is how you make text hollow. There is also a thickness, like you can change depending on the way you like. It's super easy, right? They also have the splice option, which is kind of the hollow, but just comes with color. But I prefer this hollow. So this is how you make text hollow in Canva. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel. We post a lot of tutorials daily. Thank you so much.